quick tip. If you are constantly zooming in and out of your timeline and it feels like it's taking a little too long, I've got a way for you to fix that fast right inside of DaVinci Resolve. Check it out. In DaVinci Resolve, I'm in the Edit tab, and here I am zoomed into my timeline. If I want to zoom out and see my entire timeline, press Shift-Z, and that's going to zoom your entire timeline so you can see everything all at once. If you want to zoom back into where your playhead is, hit Shift-Z again, and it's going to zoom back in for you. Now, what if you want to zoom in and out as much as you'd like? Well, in that case, you can use your Command on a Mac or Control on a PC, and the plus and minus keys, and Command or Control minus is going to zoom you out. Command or Control plus is going to zoom you in, and it's always going to zoom in or out around the playhead. So these are one of those simple shortcuts that don't seem like a big deal until you start moving around your timeline a whole lot and you're working on bigger projects and you need to jump around, and this is just going to speed up that whole process for you. So once you start using it, you're going to be able to edit a whole lot faster. But hey, I'm Jason, and I make videos about DaVinci Resolve to help creators just like you learn how to edit better and how to make your audio sound better, because I'm an audio guy, and you got to make your videos sound good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.